Hey guys, it's me Sophia, and today is Saturday, April 2nd, and today we're actually going to the beach. I'm actually going to the beach with my dance team, my dance teacher, my mom, all the other people that aren't the studio. And it kind of looks like it's pretty cloudy. You can't really see it, but it looks very cloudy. But hopefully it gets better because we are actually going to a beach. It's not that close, so hopefully our day doesn't get ruined. But right now I'm getting ready to go, and we're going to Publix to get some ice for the cooler. And that's basically all we're doing. And I need to charge this vlog camera so I can take it over there because I do want to vlog this vlog camera. And someone just posted a picture on Instagram. It's Kendall. But anyways, yes. And don't mind the background of my closet. I'm really sorry about that. But yeah, I will see you guys in a little bit. Publix. I can't see it. There we go. Okay guys, so right now we are driving to the beach and it's raining a little bit. It's just like drops, like bam, bam, bam. Oh look! Oh, I don't think you even saw that. Okay, anyways, it looks like we're pretty, it's showing signs of like Melbourne, like stuff with Melbourne in it. So yeah, so I'll keep you guys updated on what is going on, and hopefully I pray that it doesn't rain over there. Hopefully, cross our fingers. Yes. West Melbourne! So guys, I haven't updated you in a while. It's been a couple minutes and we are like past the, what's it called? Like the, like the sign, like past the like part of West, like we're in West Melbourne now. We just saw that sign. I just filmed it for you, so, or I guess we're pretty close to the beach. And, yes, and I'm listening to music. I'm listening to, what's it called, all this? I'm listening to Mike Poncer, I Took a Pill in Ibiza, the remix, and it's like the best song ever. So you should go listen to that. And that's all we're doing right now. And yes, so I will see you guys probably at, oh, by the way, also, it's kind of cool because I've never been around here in Melbourne Beach, Florida. By the way, this is Florida, not Australia, if you were wondering. And I've never been here around this part of Florida, so it was cool because we got to see a sign that said Jacksonville and Miami, and I was like, ah! So that was pretty cool. And yeah, so I will update you guys when we are getting closer to the beach, so I can show you guys like the sand and stuff. So it's like you're here with me. So yes, bye. Oh, there's strawberries. actually arrived at the beach, and we're just finding a parking spot. But I'm super excited. I don't know if I'm gonna like talk, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to just like take a video of the beach and all that stuff that we're doing. And it's really, I'm like really excited right now. So yeah, so I will see you guys in a little bit. I always say that, then I don't. Just stay tuned. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay.
Where'd you get that camera though?
The internet.
Oh yes, you got.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
So much. You just like fly out and then.
I know, right?
It's like. Whoop.
So we are here. Why am I zoomed in? Okay, there we go. So we're here, and we are back at it again with
the white.
With the
boogie board.
Yes. And we're going to make a fool of ourselves here. I'm just no. Honestly though, I'm just. Look at that.
Look at pranks.
Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh my gosh. What is this man doing?
He's relaxing. That's close to go back.
What the heck?
If I ever try that, I think I would just look like a.
Oh my gosh.
That is not something I.
So we'll see you guys later.
Accidentally got her dress wet.
Oh.
Whoa.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
Strut. Strut it out.
Oh my gosh. Wow. I know! I was going
What the heck?
Is it the ocean beautiful?
Oh my
Get
gosh.
Addie. No! Get her. You're still in the video.
I got her. Look at her running. I got you.
I got you.
I got you.
Oh my gosh. Don't run away.
Hi, Miss Megan. Would you like to be in the vlog?
She's in the vlog. All credit goes to her. No.
Hello.
Oh.